Hey everyone, it's Megan with the CraftyPlannerLovR here. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome here if you're new. In today's video, we are going to be planning for the week of September 15th through the 20th in my dupe Hobonichi cousin planner using this kit from SammyLynnPlanning. This is one of her Hobonichi cousin kits. You guys know how much I love SammyLynnPlanning, and you know how much I love her kits. So we are using this kit here this week. This is the Daisy Summer kit, and I thought it would be a good kit to kind of get into the fall vibes without completely in the fall vibes, if that makes sense. So that's everything that's in this kit. And then one of my PR freebies for last summer was this guy, and it was based off of this kit and this collection at least, and I wanted to use this as well because I thought, you know, might as well use my freebie when I can. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and jump into this week. So how has your weekend been, your week been so far in this month? Mine has been honestly pretty chill. I haven't really done much this month, so I feel like it's just kind of one of those months where I'm just kind of going through the motions. I have been quite exhausted every single day at work, so I've been coming home and just swan diving into my bed and sleeping after dinner. So yeah, that's kind of how my month has been. We are going to be going on a little outing this month after on the 29th, because it is a teacher work day at school, which means I get to have a day off, and I'm very excited about it. I think it's going to be one of those days where it is well deserved, and I'm excited to just rest and kind of recuperate from this month, because let me tell you guys, it has been crazy. Trying to figure out which of these I want to use. Kind of thinking I'm just going to use this guy. Oops. There we go. The thing I love about SammyLynnPlanning's weekly kits, or sorry, Hobonichi cousin kits, is like it gives you literally everything you'll need to decorate with, and it's so perfect. I don't know how much I can say that I love it without annoying you to death, but it's just such a perfect kit. I really do love SammyLynnPlanning kits. But yeah, how has your month been going besides, you know, my long explanation? I hope it has been well for you. Ooh, actually, I think I'm going to put this over here, because I think I want these. Does anybody have a, like, for teachers, do you have a dress code in your school, or are you allowed to kind of just wear whatever? Because we're allowed to wear jeans, and that's what I thought of just now whenever I saw that. I was like, oh my gosh, it's like I'm, you know, wearing jeans. I'm not a huge jeans fan, to be honest with you guys. I do not like how jeans feel. But that is the dress code. Well, not necessarily. I could wear, like, I could wear, you know, a dress. And I haven't quite decided if I'm going to yet, because I don't particularly care for dresses either. I am a leggings and floppy t-shirt kind of girl, and I can't wear that at school because, you know, you gotta be professional. But that's my vibe. I like that kind of outfit. So when I have to wear, you know, human clothes, I get sad. I really do. I just don't like wearing normal human clothing. I just something about it that just bothers me. So, and I have extras with this kit. I have Sunday left over, so I can combine the washi here for Sunday. I do this because it just makes keeping it in a, like in my reusable sticker storage, it makes it easier to do it this way, so I can just kind of combine all of the stuff together. So now I have Sunday left over, so I can save that and deal with the rest of it. And then I think, I don't know if I want to use these yet, because they're technically supposed to go here, but I don't know if I want to use them. I think I used them the last time I did a Hobonichi cousin kit, so I guess I'm going to do that this time too. I think I want to use this one for this page, just because I think it's pretty. And then this one, I think we're going to use this guy. Yeah, so she creates it so that you can cover up the, what are these called? The, like, numbers here. And then these are actually to cover up that. But I don't use them for that. I use them as bullets because I am a weirdo. That's really all. That's really all I use it for, is because I'm just weird. Let's do, hold on. I want to go back here because I think I'm going to use this one for this day. And then for this day, I'm really thinking of this denim color. That's cute. Okay. Then I think I want to use this one for here. And then on this side, I'm going to just use this. Well, hold up. I think I'm going to use this one. Okay, and then this guy can go with the rest of this kit here. Alrighty, so now that we have that down, I'm going to go ahead and add our decorations. So we have 6 pages, 2, 3, okay. Let's put, I want to see if there's anywhere that needs a lot of color. Thursday might. Friday definitely does. Okay, so we're going to put this guy on Friday. And then she's going to go on Saturday. I kind of want her like up here. So with that, I think I'm going to put, I'm going to put a box there. Let's go with the yellow. Just right there so it's not floating. Alright, then I think we're going to do, okay, come on now, thank you. It wants to hang out. Okay, we're going to do the kitty here. And I think we are going to add another box so that it's not floating too much. Okay. And I really like this box here that we have. But I don't like it there. I think we're going to put it here on Monday. So since we have that, I'm going to put our doll over here. And our roller skates sorry, our denim jeans there. Which means we have these guys left. So I think our roller skates are going to go here. And our hat is going to go there. Sweet. Okay. So then we have Saturdays. Okay, we're going to go back a little bit. Saturdays are my Sammy Lynn planning posts for Facebook. So we're going to put this here. And I'm going to put the bow so that I know that that's my Facebook post. And let's go back to right here, because we are going to have a pretty lengthy to-do list for this day because it is the weekend. So I think I'm going to use these guys, these little bullets here. There we go. Like I said, these are technically to cover up that little piece there, but I like to just use these as bullets because it just looks more put together for me to make them into bullets. And honestly, I think we're just going to use all 7 of them, since we have a pretty lengthy to-do list on that day. And I think for the lists, I'm just going to use this guy. This is just some washi that I have from my stash, just to not waste anything. Okay. That's my to-do list. Perfect. Okay. Then I also want to have a small to-do list on Friday. So let's do that. And we're going to put the today list here. And I'm going to use these bullets. And I'm thinking I'm going to use the yellow. Perfect. And then let's add another box up here. And I think we're going to just do the brown one. There we go. I feel like I need more boxes. Luckily, I do have a hoard of boxes from SammyLynnPlanning in my reusable sticker book. So we're going to get those out. Okay. So let's put that one there. And I have a like dark blue box that I think I'm going to add as well. Okay. Over here, I'm going to grab this box along with this one here. Wednesdays, I also like to have a to-do list, so I'm going to go ahead and put a small 3 to-do list checklist here. Okay. And we're going to use probably brown. There we go. Okay, and then over here, we're going to do another one of those smaller blue boxes. So we're going to put that one here. I think I have these guys too that I can use. So let's put this guy here. And this guy here. Alright, then we have 2 more of these boxes. So I'm going to put the yellow one here and the blue one here. I'm also going to add a tiny checklist right there. And I think I'm going to have it just say today. Alright. And I think we're going to use these orange ones. And then I need boxes, so let's use this guy. And then, let's see, we have these two, so we're going to use both of those, obviously. Which one should we use? Let's put this guy here and this guy here. Cute. Okay, and then I also have another one of these that we're just going to add as well to Tuesday. I think we're just going to stick that guy right there. I really feel like we are good. So I have my stickers for a spread for Sunday, or like just a do list. And then I have these. I'll put these in my reusable sticker book. Alright everyone, that is it for this week in my Hobonichi Cousin Dupe Planner for the week of September 15th through the 20th using this kit from SammyLynnPlanning. I absolutely love how this turned out. I think it is so cute and perfect for the end of summer. If you guys like this video and you want to see more from me, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and check out my list of playlists. They will be in the description box below with different categories of my planning and crafting content so you guys can see what I have done in all of my planners. This planner will be linked at the end of this video and in the description box below so you guys can check out how I have decorated all of the other pages in my Hobonichi Cousin. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some inspiration. And until next time, craft on. Bye guys!